On May 6, 唯心圣教 College, led by Principal Yang Yonglie, along with Vice Principal Yuan Xin and Li Zhenmei, accompanied by 20 graduate students from the Institute of Applied I Ching Studies, attended a lecture by French sinologist Professor John Largerwey titled An Ethnography of the Water Exit, held at the Banyan Building of National Zhengzhi University. During the visit, Weixin Shengjiao College presented appointment letters to Professor Li Yuzhen and Cai Yuanlin from the Graduate Institute of Religious Studies at National Zhengzhi University, officially inviting them to serve as academic and administrative committee members of Weixin Shengjiao College. Their professional guidance will enhance the college academic research in religion and institutional development, advancing the mission of religion is inclusive of academia. Academia fulfills religion. Professor John Largerwey's lecture was hosted by Assistant Professor Lin Zhenyuan, Director of the Center for the Study of Chinese Religions and a faculty member of the Graduate Institute of Religious Studies at National Zhengzhi University. Professor Largerwey, Emeritus Professor at the Practical School of Advanced Studies in France and Director of Institute Richie Paris, drew upon his extensive fieldwork to analyze how the water exits, originally a term for a natural geographic feature, involved in Chinese local societies into a vital ritual space that connects humans, deities, and spirits. He further explored rich folk traditions, such as ancestral rites and feng shui, demonstrating how religion is deeply embedded in everyday life and the structure of social order. His research closely aligns with the feng shui teachings of Weixin Shengjiao, particularly the principle of storing wind and accumulating qi, which integrates natural living principles. He revealed the ancient wisdom behind selecting water systems as energy hubs and critical nodes in village site planning. He also elaborated how the water exits, through the interplay of mountain forms and water flows, creates natural barriers that protect settlements. Additionally, he examined how water quality and flow patterns influence the effectiveness of qi accumulation. The inspiring research content provided a rich academic feast for the graduate students of Weixin Shengjiao College. After the event, Principal Yang and his delegation engaged in academic exchanges with professors from the Graduate Institute of Religious Studies at National Zhengzhi University, discussing plans for jointly hosting international conferences. During the visit, Professor Li Yuzhen was appointed as an academic committee member of Weixin Shengjiao College, where she will offer guidance and academic resources for the curriculum development of the Institute of Applied I Ching Studies. Additionally, Professor Cai Yuanlin was appointed as an administrative committee member of the college, lending his talents and professional expertise to support the overall development of institutional affairs. By integrating the academic resources of a national university, Weixin Shengjiao College seeks to strengthen its religious academic research, further advancing toward new heights of excellence. Weixin reports, Weixin Shengjiao College.